If you're looking for information on the Collabwriting Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Collabwriting Lifetime Deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Collabwriting Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. This is a straightforward tool that assists in discovering, distributing, and working together on things you come across while browsing the internet. Save, annotate, and collaborate on PDFs and web pages with your team using one browser extension. Highlight and save. Effortlessly emphasize significant content on online pages and PDF documents. Add remarks and store the information you discovered. Share and collaborate. Generate publicly accessible links, grant authorization to designated users, and gather feedback from all participants engaged in the investigation. Searchable system. Categorize important points under various subjects, attach labels, and retrieve them through a search function at a later time. Traceable history. All data is stored, monitored, and arranged in a way that makes it simple to retrieve and refer to. PDF collaboration. You can either highlight content from PDFs available online or upload your own documents and add highlights. Simple export. With just one click, you can export your highlights to a PDF, Notion, or Google Doc. Keeping your research scattered across multiple tabs isn't any more convenient than digging through an actual pile of papers. Between open tabs, busy Google Docs, and random emails, you're spending more time organizing your research than actually getting it done. You need a browser extension that lets you store and annotate web pages and PDFs so you can collaborate with your team in real time. Highlight and leave notes on web pages or PDFs and save them to a virtual workspace. Share your research with collaborators and set permissions to control who can edit, comment, or view documents. Collabwriting Overall Overview. Collabwriting is a browser extension that helps you collect research online, share notes, and collaborate with your team in real time. Collabwriting helps you collect info from direct sources without jumping to other programs and interrupting your research flow. You'll be able to collaborate on any web page or PDF, and it's just as easy as working together in Google Docs. That's because this browser extension lets you highlight and leave notes on digital content for your team to review. Besides plain text, you can also add links and screenshots to your comments to visualize your ideas. Collabwriting lets you save highlighted excerpts in a virtual workspace where you can keep them organized by topics. Whenever you're ready to hand everything over to your team, you can share your research via link or by adding a specific user to the project. Plus, you'll be able to set different access permissions to control which collaborators can edit, comment, or view your documents. Collabwriting lets you export your highlights and notes so you can compile them for the projects you're working on. You'll be able to export your research as a PDF that's ready to print or as editable text in Google Docs, Notion, Craft, and Word. Best of all, this platform will keep links to highlighted sources intact, along with any comments left by collaborators. With everything organized on a unified platform, you'll always be able to find your research in context whenever you need it. Even if the original source changes, Collabwriting will save your original highlights while letting you track changes made by your collaborators in the app's Activity tab. And you can even cluster topics and search through the app to make sure your information is well structured and ready to go. Finally, there's a simple way to wrangle all the information you need from anywhere on the web. Thanks to Collabwriting, you can collect and annotate web pages and PDFs to share your research directly with your team. Simplify your research process. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Collabwriting today. 60-day money-back guarantee. One-time purchase of $39 only.